What's up, everybody? It's AI Genius here. And today we're going big on starting your own business. Forget those boring lectures. We're diving straight into the action with 5 simple steps to make your entrepreneur dreams a reality. Whether you're a tech whiz or a creative genius, this video is your blueprint for success. Get ready to hustle, learn, and build something incredible. Let's do this. Every great business starts by solving a real-world problem. Look around you. What do people complain about? What drives them crazy? Maybe it's something small, like finding the perfect coffee in the morning, or something big, like, I don't know, connecting the entire world online. Think about Mark Zuckerberg. He created Facebook because people craved an easier way to connect. Your big idea could be the next Facebook. So open your eyes, listen to those frustrations, and find that problem begging for a solution. That's where your entrepreneurial journey begins. Alright, you found a problem that keeps you up at night. Now dive deep into the world of knowledge, learn everything you can about that problem, who else is trying to solve it, what are they doing well, and more importantly, what are they doing wrong. Remember, YouTube, Google, even those dusty library books, they're your free education. Soak up all that information, become an expert in your field, and always ask yourself, how can I make this even better? Here's a secret. You don't need $1 million and a fancy office to launch your business. Start small, my friends. Build a basic version of your idea, what the pros call an MVP, a minimum viable product. Don't worry about making it perfect right away. Get it out there. Test it with your friends, your family, that online community you've been building. Listen to their feedback. Make those tweaks, and watch your idea evolve. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful business. Now let's talk branding. This is more than just a cool logo, guys. It's about how people feel when they hear your company's name. It's about the experience you create. Keep it simple. Keep it memorable. Get yourself a catchy name, design a logo that pops, and get online. YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, these platforms are your best friends. Share your journey, show the world what makes your business special, and watch your community grow. Look, I'm not gonna lie, being an entrepreneur is a wild ride. You'll face challenges, you'll make mistakes, and that's okay. Every successful entrepreneur has a stack of failures taller than me. But here's the key, never give up. Learn from those setbacks, adapt, and come back stronger. Stay motivated, surround yourself with positive people, and always believe in your mission. Success takes time, but with persistence, you will achieve your goals. So there you have it, folks. 5 simple steps to kickstart your entrepreneur journey. You've got the problem-solving mindset, the research skills, the small-scale startup strategy, the branding brilliance, and most importantly, the unstoppable spirit to never give up. Now I want to see you take action. Smash that like button if you're ready to crush it, and subscribe for more epic content like this. Remember, your journey starts today. Go out there and make it happen.